And then this one here, this is the Rayco RA1778 fantastic HF receiver. It's the B's and E's. Got a bit of Morse on it in a minute. It's a bit off, actually. It's just got a long wire that's actually laying on the floor in the garden, so it's not going to be. It's doing well to actually pick anything up, to be honest. Fantastic bit of kit, he says. It's got a fantastic filter set actually in this one for CW and FSK. Oh, and AM as well actually. I'm not going to be able to find any. It's only got 12 memories. Alright. Don't know if you can hear that. But if I flip the filter over, sounds like a submarine, but it's a very narrow filter. We've got 3, 1.2 and 0.3. I'm not really sure what it actually is, to be honest. I'm sure somebody out there will tell us. But yeah, fantastic receiver. When you've got a decent aerial, that is, you know, just a long wire will do the job. But yeah, fantastic bit of kit. Love it. And there's my oscilloscope. I don't think she's actually plugged in at the minute. No. But that's very good. That was I bought that there and my other power supply, which is up here. I forgot to show you actually. Might have seen it already. There we go, that one there. Bought the oscilloscope and this from a ham sale, and it came in at £45. It's 0 to 30 volts, adjustable on there. 10 amp, well 15 amp, 20 amp peak, which is actually running the 2 meter rig, 70 sems rig, and my computer screen, because the power supply for the screen went pop. I had a look on the back of it and it said 12 volt, only a couple of amps, and I thought, well, it's a regulated power supply, it should do the job nicely. Bottom rail, just there, is the power supply from this, and the top one there is the earths for the power supply and the HF rig, and also the RA1778 receiver. Right, what else we got? Right, I broke my tape measure, the ones that coil up in the metal thing, the metal sleeve, you know, that type. Didn't mean to do it, but because I've got a couple of spares, I decided to. A few months ago, I saw a article using the old, using these as your directors and driven elements. So I thought I'd give it a go last night, just knock something up very quickly. It's for 2 meters, 3 element beam. There's a driven. I've just put, just scratched away the paint on there, put some bolts all the way through, and if I show on the back side, we've got the shield on the inner, going to the bolts, and then we've just got a connecting stub there, so we don't have to use a gamma match. The SDR seems alright. The only problem is the actual dimensions for everything came from an American website, and it wasn't until I actually started cutting everything up that I realised that their 2 meter band and the UK 2 meter band have got different frequencies. Not by much, but I'll just have to wait and see, and actually get it outside and see how it performs. But checking the SWR meter last night, and yeah, it wasn't too bad. So yeah, I was quite pleased with that. A little project that I made, is to connect the. It's a bit of a mess, I know, but connects the radio to the computer sound card. It's got a 3.5mm jack. I'll just show you there. Look. 3.5mm jack. It's just a mono, and one of them goes into the audio output on the rig. One goes to the audio output on the sound card. There's another one that goes to the audio input on the sound card, and then this is a spare microphone connector that I had. I actually set this one up for the 2 meter Yaesu Memorizer, the 227RA. Sorry, RH. Or was it RA? Yeah, it is the RA. And the audio from the computer goes into this one as if you just take the microphone out and plug that one instead, and then you can transmit your data through the microphone socket. And then this one there was what I had for another project box, which just connected to the PTT on here. It was just a manual SP/ST switch, so on for transmit, turn it off to receive, and it worked very well. It was okay, but I don't use the 227 too many times now, so I'm just using the audio side. So I've connected it to the Raycall, and it goes round to the back of the computer. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. I know on the last video it wasn't too good, but let's have a look. A bit far away. There we go. You can see the width of the signal that's being received there. If I just change the Raycall to the 0.3, you'll just see how much of a difference it does actually make when it filters down. So there it is on 1.2, and there it is on 0.3. So it doesn't half make a good difference there. But yeah, it's just a few things I've got in the old shack. Trying to think if there's anything I've forgotten. There shall be more videos to follow at some point. When they're going to be, to be honest, I really don't know. I'm sorry it's not very, it's bad lighting. It's probably not going to be a very good video. We'll just have to wait and see. I am using a camcorder, using it on a memory stick instead of using the tape. But there we go, we'll just have to see what happens. So 2E0VWW, signing off and clear, and thanks for watching my video. If I can find the button.